Для работы подстанции необходимо сделать отпайку от существующей линии.
Insight, understanding, and professionalism. These people are responsible for one of the most important power sources.
А отвод земельного участка есть?
Нет, отвода нет. Может, попробуем кабелем?
The operation of factories, plants, and even entire cities depends on them.
Здесь же водоем. Необходимо применение ГНБ, это дорого. Делаем воздушкой.
These are the builders of electric power systems. Building an efficient electric power system is the primary task of Zapad Elektroset-Stroy. The company has its own design institute and shop for fabricating structural steel, enabling it to monitor quality at all stages of work. And the constant improvement of technologies and innovation in production help to maintain high standards. For example, the use of hot-dip galvanizing in the fabrication of structural steel has significantly reduced operating costs. A range of more than 60 types of support structure based on 12 models is produced. The service life of the structural steel is 50 years. Both standard and custom designs are produced. Zapad Elektroset-Stroy fabricates modern types of structural steel. Elevated type supports were developed specifically for the project to carry power from the Belarusian nuclear power plant. The 60-meter structures were built for the specific operating conditions of an overhead electric power transmission line. The design features of the supports reduced the area of woodland cleared in forested areas. This is both an environmental factor and improves the reliability of the overhead electric power transmission lines. The company has all the equipment necessary to perform all stages of operations, beginning with the preparatory work and ending with the installation of steel structures, conductors, and fiber optic communications lines. It has more than 600 units of equipment. Zapad Elektroset-Stroy can handle projects of any complexity and any scale. And since the company is working to increase its capacity, modern new equipment is being added. The large variety of equipment is explained by the fact that Zapad Elektroset-Stroy delivers a wide range of services: construction of criticality level 1 and 2 buildings and structures, construction, installation, and specialist work, timber logging and milling, and transportation of Class 2 and 3 hazardous cargo. But this versatility is not the only advantage of working with Zapad Elektroset-Stroy. A number of advantages set the company apart. An integrated management system meeting international standards, highly qualified staff, its own structural steel production facility, and the full range of machinery and tools necessary for large-scale projects. The company has unique experience of operating abroad and carries out design, construction, and installation work in all climate and geographic zones, always tailoring its activities to specific local requirements. Other services provided by Zapad Elektroset-Stroy include design, construction, and modernization of electric substations. The company operates as a general contractor. Some jobs are delivered using its own manpower and resources, and other work is carried out by subcontractors under supervision. As a rule, in the majority of cases, the construction of high-voltage substations is performed simultaneously with the construction of power transmission lines. New substations are necessary to improve the operational reliability of power systems and provide power supply to critically important consumers. Zapad Elektroset-Stroy was founded on the 14th of October, 1968. The company was already highly efficient during the 20th century. Now, it is one of the most successful companies in Belarus. Company specialists participated in the cleanup after the Chernobyl nuclear power plant disaster. The employees are the pride of the company. Thanks to the productive work of all of its departments over the 45 years it has been in operation, the company has constructed 1,450 electric power transmission lines with a total length of more than 30,000 kilometers. 1,100 substations have been constructed and installed, and 39 fiber optic communication lines have been laid. Zapad Elektroset Stroy currently holds 90% of the Belarusian market for construction of high-voltage power lines with voltage from 35 to 750 kilovolts. It is one of the largest construction companies in Belarus. Germany, Egypt, Vietnam, India, Cuba, Libya, Mali, Mozambique, Mongolia, Syria, and Ethiopia. The company's experience in international projects is a clear indication of how its efficiency is valued abroad, too. The company has a number of licenses and certificates confirming its authority and the high level of competence of its specialists. The company prizes its strong reputation and never violates its basic principle: timeliness, quality, and results above all else. Zapad Elektroset Stroy invites you to join a productive and successful partnership.